Kandy! Welcome back to my channel. So, I know the last time we talked about the Disney Treasures box, I was very sad because they are not going to be offering that as a subscription box anymore. I was mistaken though. They are going to still have them, but they're only going to be in retail. So, I think you might be able to buy them online. They haven't released any more information. When I find out, you guys will find out because you know I am so in love with this box. So I got two of the older boxes. Ow! That really hurt. And so we're going to go back to June 2017 for the Festival of Friends box. That's going to be the first one we open. Now, something I didn't realize is the Funko factory is in my state. It's up north about 2 hours. I really want to go so bad. Oh my gosh! Okay, so the patch is Piglet. So adorbs. And it looks like the pin is Thumper. Alright, I'm gonna put you on the ground for a moment. We've got our treasure map. It's stuck to my finger now. Alright. So the first thing we've got is the tin that has a friend in it. And it looks like, oh gosh, I think I know who the friend's gonna be. Well, it says right here who the friend's gonna be, but you guys don't know yet, so you can't see that part. Always in a blind bag, which is so much fun. Yay! It's a little Woody! Oh my gosh! You guys, this is so flippin' adorable. Hold on, I gotta show you something. Oh man, it doesn't say Andy on the bottom, but look, he's even got his pull string on the back. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. And there are two pops in here which complete the box. The first one is Pluto, which is Mickey's best friend. This box was $30 and each Funko Pop is between 10 and like 15. And then the other pop that we got, which I'm really excited about, Dumbo with Timothy. Now check this out. He's flying. Oh, so cute. I am all about the cuteness and the pops. Like I don't even know if you guys understand how obsessed I am with pops. Like I'm gonna have to show you guys my entire collection one day. We missed the Haunted Forest one. That's the one we didn't get. And Pirate Cove. That's alright. I'm sad, but... Alright, so the next one we're opening is from August. Maybe if I can get my hand around it. And it is Tiny Town. I love the themes. I love these boxes so much. And so I hope they do keep them in retail at least. Oh! This is from A Bug's Life. I'm not sure of his name. I'm going to be completely honest. And this looks like it's supposed to be... Oh, it's one of the mice from Cinderella. I thought it was going to be, I thought it looked like Simba for a second, but it's not. Oh my god, I can't take it, you guys. I can't. It's so good. It's so good. Ow. So the first pop here is Tinkerbell. She's so cute. She's got a little, I don't know if you guys can see, but her little stand in there is like fairy dust so that she's able to stand up if you take her out of the box, which I do not take these out of the box. And so Dorbs are another Funko, what do you want to, it's, the brand is Funko, but this is one of their items that they sell, are these dwarves. So this is from It's a Small World. It's got the boat and the little Holland girl, and it looks like a little Mexico and Holland with Small World boat. That's super cool. This is really hefty, like it's very heavy. And in our tin, which has Pinocchio, yeah, it has Pinocchio all over it, so this is probably going to be Pinocchio, I'm going to say. My nails are not allowing me to get this plastic off of here. There we go. Let's see who's here. It's Jiminy Cricket! Oh, he's so cute! He's got his little suit on. Got tails and his top hat. Oh! Okay. What's in here? Gus is the mouse on the pin. He has a large belly that pokes out of his yellow shirt and seems to be a bit slow on the pickup, but brave in a pinch. Cute. Who was... Oh. She may think you're weird, but she still likes you. You can't get much smaller than Dot from A Bug's Life. I'm so sad these are not going to be a thing anymore. Like I said, I will fill you guys in as soon as I hear any information, but those are the two Disney Treasures boxes that, you know, we weren't going to get. There will be one more in April, and I believe one more in April, and then they're done. So I will fill you guys in if I hear anything, but these make me so happy. It's Disney and pop figures. Like, it's my favorite things. Like, so good. Like, my entire shelf over here is full of them. You can see I'm started stacking them up there. It's a habit. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you guys soon. I love you. Bye.